Welcome back, fellows. In our previous video, we learned to get the approximate material cost of a reinforced concrete footing. In this video, we will learn how to calculate the approximate labor cost for the same reinforced concrete footings that we already talked about. To begin with, we will use the same quantities of material that we already calculated before in order to get the labor cost in a project or in a certain type of work. First thing we should determine is how big is the work, of course. The bigger the project or the work, the more labor cost we will have. Since we already have the quantities of our footing, it is now easy for us to calculate how much manpower we will be needing. The only thing is we must know the productivity rate of our labor, or how much of the work they can finish in a given time. Based on my personal experience and observation on construction sites, I am giving you these productivity rates. These productivity rates are based on an 8-man-hour work, considering of course those idle times, for example, worker going to the toilet, and even worker taking a short rest in the middle of the work, because they are not robots after all. We can't expect them to work and keep moving in every tick of the clock. By the way, there are basically two types of labor. One is the skilled labor and the other is the unskilled. Examples of the skilled labor are carpenter, mason, tile setter, painter, and many others, while the unskilled labor are the helper or assistant to the skilled labor. It's important to determine these two types of labor because they have different wages. Skilled one has of course the higher rate compared to the other. Now, we are ready to fill out our calculation sheet. Fill out how many skilled and unskilled labor you need. And next is their corresponding daily wages. And that's it. We now have the approximate labor cost for our concrete footing. Simple and easy.
Nakulolo, sige lang pagwapo, isang wala